Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I am going to talk about Karnataka State Law University upcoming 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB examinations timetable. Yesterday we have received one drafted tentative timetable for 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB upcoming LLB examinations tentative timetable for the month of October and November 2021. Actually, which we have received, that is a drafted one, not a sealed one from the Karnataka State Law University. So from there, some of the mistakes also we have been found that many of the subjects which have been already over, means I can say example 4th of October 2021, some subject have been already completed. So this is how which you have received, that is not final one, that is a tentative, means temporary, what you call provisional. So that is like what we call demo or testing purpose, might be they have been released for the Karnataka entire colleges. Of course, within 1 or 2 days, again tentative timetable for the upcoming LLB examinations for 3 year and 5 years LLB timetable will be released. So since 3 years, I'm observing that like this only the KSLU has followed. So for firstly drafted they will release, like like this drafted without any seal they will release to observe the things. Then after verification and revisit of timetable, they will give final notification of LLB examinations, 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. This is the procedure they are following. So yesterday which you have received, that is not final one, that is the tentative timetable and drafted timetable for upcoming LLB examinations. So many of the students have been worried about the timetable. So all of them are thinking about their promotion for the upcoming LLB examinations. Promotion just like that, it is not happening. There will be a procedure. Writ petitions also made by the Karnataka State Law University students, and meanwhile KSLU also planned to conduct the examinations for upcoming LLB examinations for even semesters. So in this scenario, students are like scapegoats, what we call. We should not be a scapegoats, my dear students. We all students, why we are here to pursuing our LLB examinations, to improve our knowledge, to come out after completion of LLB examinations. We need to find a very good profession like advocate, like corporate consultants, like legal consultant, whatever, whichever. So my advice to all students, every day I am stressing on our students, especially for KSLA students. We need not to bother about what will be going to happen. Present what, this is the time, this is the precious time. Please be concentrate on your studies. As you all know, writ petition article 226 writ petition has been made by the students, and court has been issued the notice to the respondents. So there will be a procedure from High Court and as well as writ petition and as well as respondents. There will be a procedure. It is not just like that. So there will be a procedure, we have to wait for a patience, and meanwhile we have to prepare for the upcoming LLB examinations. Definitely KSLU will be going to announce the timetable for upcoming LLB examinations. Whichever, whichever we have received, that is tentative one, and whichever will receive 1 or 2 days, that will be a final one for the upcoming LLB examinations. So in this scenario, so students not to overthink, and please don't think about much about promotions, whether they are going to conduct LLB examinations for even semester. That doesn't matter at all. So please be study honestly, sincerely, so that you will gain knowledge about all your subjects. Any kind of, like, there are many, like 5 to 6 subjects will be there for each semesters, like, all even semesters what we call. So for those subjects we have to study about, to gain knowledge purpose. And as well as we cannot say, the present scenario we cannot say like 50 is to 50, may be conducted, may not be conducted. Maybe high court will be give order in favor of university or in favor of students, that we don't know what is the procedure, what it is going on, and where it is really, nobody knows, my dear students. So in this scenario we have to concentrate on our studies, do our best always. Whatever, whichever, we should do our best for ourselves, not for others. If you study well, that is for your goodness only. If you study well, you will get knowledge. If you study well, you will gain everything. So my sincere advice to all KSLU students, need not to bother about repetition, you need not to bother about whether KSLU will be going to conduct examinations or not, what high court will be give judgment, that is also we need not to bother. You have to study yourself for gain your knowledge, and please be prepared for upcoming LLB examinations. What you lose, tell me? Nothing we are going to lose. You are not going to lose anything. If you study well, that is for your goodness only. Whether going to conduct examinations or not, that doesn't matter. I used to say always to all, that doesn't matter. For study, it won't go anywhere. It will be get into your mind. Study, study, study. There is no overthink about your upcoming LLB examinations, whether promotions, whether any kind of things. Please don't think too much. Your work is to study about your upcoming LLB examinations. So I hope my videos are very helpful for your curricular of 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. I request to all, please do subscribe my channel, Anil Kumar Ketty, LLB coach and motivational speaker. So please do forward my videos as many as possible your friends and relatives, so that they will also get benefit from my videos. Thank you.